welcome back to my channel. My name is Gauri and welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good and safe out there. If you are new to my channel, please make sure you subscribe to my channel down below. Red color का icon होगा subscribe, tap on it and make it grey. Plus उसके right hand side में एक bell icon होगा घंटी, उसको भी बजा देना and tap on all notifications so that जब भी मैं नया वीडियो पोस्ट करूँ तो you get notified और आप मेरी कोई भी वीडियो मिस नहीं करेंगे. So yeah, with that quickly begin with the video. Also, you can follow me on my Instagram and this is how it looks like. Plus, I'm also gonna link my Instagram handle down below in the description box. Please make sure you check that out and do give me a follow there. So yeah, without any further blabbering, let's quickly begin with it. So as you already know from the title that today I'm gonna be reviewing this Wet n Wild Max Fanatic Cat Eye Mascara. Okay, so this is my current favorite mascara. I'm loving this after the Lash Sensational by Maybelline. I absolutely love this. So just quickly begin with the review part. Okay, so it doesn't come with any outer packaging or cardboard something. It just got one slip, like one covering, like plastic covering over it, just पे they have mentioned the price point and everything. So yeah, this is how it came, just like that. I like its color, like so like purpley girlish color, and it is quite sturdy, not like flimsy or anything. It retails for MRP 499, but you can always find this on sale. I got this from purple.com, like Purple app, and I got it for rupees 340 something. So yeah, I'm happy with the price point from which I got it. So yeah, that's that. I love it. Like let me show you the wand. I love its wand. It's called the butterfly wand. It just fans up your lashes and give you so much volume. Like, this is the mascara I have on today. I love it. It just gives so much volume and gives you so fan like effect. It doesn't clumps up your lashes and it gives you little bit of length. Like, it doesn't give you the perfect length. It's not the lengthening mascara at all. So if you are looking for a lengthening mascara, I won't prefer you to buy this one. I recommend the Lash Sensational by Maybelline. Also guys, do let me know if you want a comparison on this and the Lash Sensational one. I would love to do that for you guys. So yeah, I think price point is really good. Like, it's affordable, like pocket friendly. Coming on to the longevity and all, it stays for like 7 to 8 hours. Like जितना मैंने टेस्ट किया, it stays for 7 to 8 hours. It doesn't clumps up your lashes और ऐसा नहीं होता कि ड्राई होके आपके यहाँ पर गिर रहा है आके, क्योंकि बहुत सारे मस्काराज होते हैं थोड़ा ड्राई हो जाते हैं और यहाँ पर आपके गिर जाते हैं आके. Also, this is the not the waterproof version. This is the washable one. It also has the washable version as well, but I don't prefer the waterproof versions. उससे क्या होता है, बहुत ज़्यादा बहुत डिफ़िकल्टी होती है उसको रिमूव करने. तो क्या होता है, you tend to get 1-2 lashes out और 1-2 lashes आपके निकल ही जाते हैं. तो रोज़ लगाओगे, रोज़ एक ही 2 को निकलेंगे तो पता है फिर क्या होगा. So I don't prefer the waterproof one. So yeah, that's all. I think I covered all the things on this. Also, if you think that I missed anything, you can comment down and I would love to reply you guys. So now quickly start with the demo part. Like the demo part. So as you guys can see that it just fans up my lashes and separates them so nicely, so beautifully. It doesn't clumps up. So let's quickly begin with the pros and cons for this beautiful mascara. With the pros, pro number 1, it's very inexpensive. Like, for this kind of mascara, I love it. I love its price point. Like, you can always find this on sale. So yeah. Second, it doesn't clumps up your lashes at all, no matter what. Pro number 3, it gives you so much volume and fan like effect plus little bit of length. Pro number 4, it stays on your lashes for a really good time and gives you little bit of curling effect as well. That's all for the pros. Starting with the cons. Con number 1 is it's only available on Nykaa, like Nykaa stores and all, and I'm रियली नॉट श्योर कि स्टोर्स में भी अवेलेबल है या नहीं, बिकॉज इन देहरादून लाइक यहाँ के स्टोर पे तो नहीं अवेलेबल है। बाकी का आई डोंट नो। इफ़ यू गाइस नो कि अगर वेट एंड वाइल्ड के प्रोडक्ट्स नायका स्टोर्स पे अवेलेबल हैं तो प्लीज़ कमेंट करके बता देना नीचे, सो दैट आई कैन पिन दैट कमेंट एंड बाकियों को थोड़ा हेल्प हो जाए। सो या आई थिंक दैट्स अ कॉन, बिकॉज इन माई सिटी कोई लोकल स्टोर पे वेट एंड वाइल्ड के प्रोडक्ट अवेलेबल नहीं है, तो इट्स ओनली अवेलेबल ऑनलाइन HOK मेकअप पर्पल। नंबर 2 इज़ इट फील्स लिटिल हैवी, लाइक जब मैं इसको लगाती हूँ, लाइक अगर मैंने इसकी 2 कोट्स लगा ली तो इट फील्स लिटिल हैवी ऑन माई लैशेज, लाइक आई तो फील दिस कि थोड़ा सा हेवी होता है लैशेज पे। दैट्स ऑल, आई डोंट फाइंड एनी कॉन इन दिस ब्यूटिफुल मस्कारा। आई लव्ड इट एंड आई प्रिफर दिस फॉर एवरीबडी। लाइक अगर आपको डे टू डे आप कुछ मेकअप नहीं करते हो बट यू वांट योर लैशेज टू बी डन, आईब्रोज एंड लिपस्टिक एंड दैट्स इट, go for this mascara. This will gonna give you the best out of you. So I would prefer this mascara to everybody. It's so good. Like if you have really thin and बहुत कम lashes हैं आपकी, तब भी you can go with this mascara. So beautiful. So yeah, I think that's all for today's video. I hope you guys liked and enjoyed watching this video. If you guys liked this video and it was helpful for you, please एक थम्स अप दे देना, बड़ा सा थम्स अप, प्लस कमेंट करके ज़रूर बताना वीडियो कैसा लगा। वीडियो को शेयर भी कर देना और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब भी कर देना, घंटी बजा देना। दैट्स ऑल, थैंक यू सो मच, बाय बाय।